Hey everyone, Alex at Ryze Services, and in this Ryze Media Platform training video, we're going to take a look at how to upload and manage your image library for your digital signs. Let's get started. I'm currently at the web app dashboard and logged in. Today we're going to be looking at the image library under your media menu items over on the left-hand side. You can expand the media menu by clicking the down arrow located on the right side of that menu. When the menu opens, you should see 5 items listed in the media menu. These are the different types of media you can use within the system. Clicking on the Images menu will open up your static image library and show you any images you've already uploaded to the system. At the top of the page is the image search box. You can use this to filter and search for a specific image that you've already uploaded. The Tags button is also a search tool. Clicking on this will open a box that allows you to use any tags you've assigned with an image as search criteria. This is really handy in searching for groups of related images. Keep in mind that you would need to have previously tagged your images in order for this to work. Also along the top is the Add Folder button. This allows you to create folders to organize your media. Keep in mind that when you create a folder, this folder is available in all of your other media categories as well. So while you're in the Images category, only your image media will be displayed under that folder. Likewise, when you're in the Video category, only your videos will be displayed in that folder, even though you may have images and other media types in the folder as well. The grid icon allows you to switch between the grid layout versus the list layout for the page and can be used based on how you prefer to see the page. The last icon on the page is the refresh icon. This reloads the list of images from your library. At the top of your image list, you can see how many images are in your library, as well as choose how many images to display on each page. This is very handy in dealing with a large number of images in your library. To add a new image, click the Add Image button at the bottom of the page. In the pop-up window, you can choose if you want to load an image from your computer or the internet, or use a stock image that comes preloaded with your Ryze account. If you click on Image File, you get 2 new options. You can either upload an image from your computer or import an image directly from the internet using just its URL. To upload a file, you just drag and drop the image or group of images from your computer into this window. You can also click the upload icon and let your browser open the file menu on your computer so you can select the images you want to upload. Once you've made your selection, just click the upload button. If you don't have an image on your computer to use, you can also use the images from our image stock library. It has thousands of royalty-free images available not only from our image library, but also image providers like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash. To use a stock image, click the Stock Image button at the top. You can use the filter icon to change filter options for things like image provider, image orientation, and image type. Use the keyword box to enter a few search terms for the image you're looking for and click Search. When the search is complete, the system will display the search results. You can scroll through the list to find the images you want and select as many as you want to by clicking the square on the top left corner of the image. Once you've made your selection, click the Import button at the bottom of the window. If you've selected a single image to import, the system will give you the option to set a name and description for the image. If you've selected multiple images to import, the system will use the image file name as the name for the image and description will be left blank. From here, you can tag your images in order to make it easier to search for them in the system later. Just click in the tag box to see a list of tags already in your account and select one, or simply start typing a new tag. If you type a new tag, that tag will be saved in your account as soon as you hit enter. You can add as many tags as you like to your new image, but keep in mind that if you're adding multiple images, the tags you enter will be added to all images. Next, you'll see a default duration option. If you decide to use this image as part of a slideshow in your playlist, the default duration is the length of time in seconds this image will be shown by default. You can of course adjust this in your playlist itself, but it's handy to have a good default duration set so that you don't have to change it when you go to use it in your playlist later on. In the Advanced Features section, you have 2 options, Play From and Play Until. Play From allows you to specify that this image should not be shown until a specified date and time. The system default is to always play the image. To change this, unselect Always and set the date and time you want. Likewise, the Play Until option lets you specify a date and time to stop using this image in the system. Again, to specify a date and time, uncheck the Forever option, and then you can set your date and time. Keep in mind that if you're going to use both the play from and play until option, the play from date and time needs to be before the play until date and time, otherwise the image will never show. Once you're done, click Save. From there, the system will begin uploading and processing your images, and you can see that in the activity indicator above. Depending on the size of your images or how much post-processing needs to take place, your images may not be immediately available in the system, but typically are within just a few seconds. Once your images are uploaded, you can edit them directly in the system should you need to. To do this, click on the name of the image in the library, then click on the button beneath your image to open the Pixie Image Editor. Within Pixie, you can make all kinds of changes to your images, from resizing and rotation, adding text and drawing, to advanced image filtering and processing. Once you're done, simply save the image and it's ready to use. On the Edit screen, you can also see where a particular image is being used in the system. This is very handy so you don't inadvertently make a change or delete an image that's currently in use. Lastly, in order to edit, duplicate, move an image to a different workspace, or delete an image, you can do that from the Image menu or by selecting one or more images and using the Action menu at the bottom. Well, I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we'll hope you'll join us for the next session where we cover the video library. And as always, if you need more help, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.